everyone, it's Nicole again, and I'm here with another grammar question. Lots and lots of grammar questions are being asked at the moment, so keep asking, please. This one was about whose and whose. Whose and whose. W-H-O apostrophe S and W-H-O-S-E. Whose and whose. So the first one, W-H-O apostrophe S, is what we call a contraction. And a contraction is when you've got two words and you connect them to make one word. And you put an apostrophe in the middle to show that it's the short version. So in this situation, whose is the short version of who and is, or who and has. That's whose. So that's what we call a contraction. Then we also have the other form of whose, W-H-O-S-E, and this is used for ownership, for possession. It's introducing a relative clause where you're giving extra information, and it's used exactly the same as the who or the which or the that, which we've previously spoken about. But in this situation, you're talking about the ownership. So you might say something like, the dog whose owner lives in the city was very lonely. Oh, that's a horrible sentence. But you know what I mean. So whose, W-H-O apostrophe S, is always two words there, who and is, or who and has, with your apostrophe connecting them, and whose, W-H-O-S-E, is not a contraction, it's an ownership, used exactly the same as who or that for a relative clause, where you're giving extra information about the same subject. I hope that makes sense. If you've got any questions, ask them down here. I'll answer them. More importantly, I can do another video. Thanks so much. Bye.